What's up everybody, Brian here with Attention to Details in Chesterton. Just going to give you a quick shot flow what's going on and tap on one vehicle that we got our video being released on here in a minute. I'll explain it to you soon. The 2023 Dodge Demon 170 is now complete and finished. It's going to be here for a little bit while longer until the client is ready to receive it. We got this out of Chicago, so we will trailer this back to him. But this thing came out absolutely stunning. We have lots of footage on it. Kenny will be putting out over the next several days on our social media platforms and stuff like that to show more of this. A lot of custom work. We did the xpel, stealth, frost, matte look, whatever you want to call it, with xpel 10-year warranty, self-healing film. The guys killed it. Jay, Remy, Jose did all the window tinting. He laid, everybody had a hand in this, and it came out absolutely stunning. Again, a lot of custom work on this vehicle. Then here we got Remy doing the final touches on a 2023 Porsche Cayenne Turbo. Really cool vehicle. What we did to this, Jose tinted out the windows. Then Jose went in, we have footage of this too, rim off, ceramic coat calipers and rims with the xpel Fusion ceramic and coating for rims. The only way to do them is fully take the rims off, not just the faces. Then we wrapped this whole car in the xpel Ultimate Plus Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating. It is finished. It's going through its quality control inspection. That's what Remy's doing now. That's what you see all these yellow tape pieces, meaning these pieces pass what we wanted to do. All edges wrapped, debadged. One thing that we do here more than anyone else in the area. So the car come out beautiful. We'll have photos of this on our social media too. Then we have, I guess we'll go to this one here. We got a lot going on. This is a 2024 Subaru Wilderness. There's so many different brands, so I do apologize for that. We done this vehicle, I don't know, about 3 or 4 months ago. Full frontal, the xpel Ultimate Plus, a little bit of custom work over the graphics on the front here. Did window tinting and a few other little things. He brought it back now to do xpel on the inside for the screens, black piano trim. We do that as well. And then he's got these custom mold pieces that Jose's on the other side putting on. So this will be leaving in a day or two. Then right here, one of my favorite cars. This is a 2020 Ford Mustang GT500 that's in for xpel. We got it yesterday. We're doing a lot of different things to this, window tints, a bunch of PPF custom stuff. So this is just getting started, but an absolutely stunning, beautiful. So Kenny will be doing a lot of filming on this. And I forget the shade of red this is, but they only produce so many in this. So it's a pretty rare color for this car. And I'll have that information for you, or Kenny will put it in one of the ads. But it's a pretty sweet car. It's 1,500 miles on it. The guy got it delivered out of Texas straight to us. So we're excited to get started on this one as well. And if you guys remember, the video's not out yet, but Kenny's gonna kind of piece this in with the other video. This vehicle come to us about a month or two ago. It had a full frontal done somewhere else, and to say the least, it wasn't the greatest. And we have footage of all that. So they had us rip it all off and then apply it, in my opinion, the proper way. And as you can see, Kenny will, when he puts this video out, he's going to do side-by-side comparisons, because there was a lot of things on here that was just kind of blew me away, actually. But it is super tight now. The clients come in, they couldn't believe that the film was even on the car. So again, Kenny will take some different pictures, but the mirrors were done, and when you'll see, we'll have side-by-sides, but there was like gaps that wide all through here, all around, and our mirrors are on now. You can't, yeah, it just looks like it's a film's not even on there. Done the A-pillars as well, full hood, full wrapped edges, full fenders, wrapped edges. If you also remember on the fenders, which we have photos, which Kenny will do his magic with his social media and photos and stuff and show you, but they literally stopped this film in places that was back up to here, and it was all crooked, and actually told the customer that there was no way to wrap it inside, and these are some of the easiest ones to wrap inside because they got a beautiful lip inside. So can't even tell this is on. Front bumper, they had pieced together in multiple places. My guys do it in one complete sheet, tucked edges, all the way stuffed in, headlights are done. Jay's over here now doing his final quality control, going over everything and making sure it's tight, doing any trimming. Found a lot of cut marks on this too. So the only one at our shop at the moment that does cutting is Jay. He's worked hundreds of hours training, learning on pieces, learning on our cars, because we do not want to cut through and cut into people's paint, and it happens a lot everywhere. So we don't want that to happen. We've showed that too. The cut areas that were done, thankfully they weren't very deep, so we were able to go in and adjust and take, and this film hides a lot of the stuff, so you can't see any of that now. But you've got to be careful. There's a distinct sound that you hear when you're cutting. And again, Remy's almost there. He does some light cutting now. Jose is pretty good at it as well. So we're just getting, and so is Kenny actually. But right now, in any difficult stuff, Jay is the guy that goes through everything and makes it checks out. So you have to have a quality team. Everybody here, not that it's a contest whatsoever, but everybody here is always critiquing everybody's work. That's why when a piece is done by, say, Jay, even though he's at the level that he is, I put my eyes on it, everyone puts their eyes on it, because sometimes when you're going, this is so difficult and tedious, he might miss something. So we got a system, that's why you always see the yellow tape. When that yellow tape goes on, that means that it's been checked, it's ready to go, we can wash it and deliver it to our customer. So we'll have a lot of really neat comparison on this vehicle. They had two done back to back. When this leaves, it should be leaving today, I believe, tonight. They're dropping off another one, and then we'll do this all over because the other one is actually a little bit worse in places. And we're going to show you what we're going to do there and why what we do. So we just wanted to show you what's going on. We have a Monday, we have the new 2024 Corvette coming in for a bunch of xpel work, carbon fiber pieces that we're going to be adding onto it, window tint, and a bunch of things. We've got the new Honda Civic. I think it's the R coming in a week or so for PPF and window tint and ceramic coating. So we got a lot on the go, and I'm just about 2 weeks away from letting everyone know some very exciting news that we're getting ready to tell everybody here what's going on at the shop. So keep watching, click the like buttons, follow us, share. We got a lot of exciting things going on that we can't wait to share with you. So for now, guys, love and happiness. Peace.